hinahanap mo ay ready for occupancy at malapit sa Manila, boundary lang to ng Imus at General Trias, super near kay Cavite Laguna Expressway at Open Canal Road connecting the Anghari Road. Don't skip this video. This is Pao Pipito, your home search buddy. Meron tayong minimum lot size na 48 square meters kaya mayroon tayong provision for one carport at included na rin ang ating fence and gate. Upon turnover, nasa service area na ang ating kitchen sink para maging space saver ito at ma-maximize natin ang ating ground floor. We also have here our toilet and bath na may complete fixtures. Meron tayong enough space for dining at living area going up. Dahil complete finished turnover ito, included na ang room partition, tiles, ceiling at mga fixtures. Meron tayong malawak na sliding window for proper ventilation at para makapasok ang natural light. Livable na nga to upon turnover, gamit na lang ang kulang. Total of 3 bedrooms ang meron tayo dito at ang master's bedroom natin ay napakalawak at